how much should you actually spend on spy cameras? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, TP-Link Topo C100. First up is the TP-Link Topo C100 Indoor Security Camera. This little device caught my attention with its impressive features at a wallet-friendly price. If you want a reliable way to keep an eye on your home, this is worth a serious look. What sets the Topo C100 apart is its 1080p HD resolution, which means you can actually zoom in and identify a person's face from over 30 feet away, perfect for those moments when you need clarity. Plus, the two-way audio feature allows you to communicate with pets or family members from anywhere, which adds a nice touch of convenience. With motion detection and night vision up to 30 feet, you'll receive instant notifications if something's off, giving you peace of mind even in the dark. It's been flying off the shelves with over 10,000 sold in the past month, which speaks volumes about its reliability. Now, some people complained about occasional connectivity issues with the Wi-Fi. Here's the thing though, if you're in an area with a strong signal, you shouldn't have any problems. But if you live in a dead zone, it might be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a straightforward indoor security camera that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you need something that works well in low Wi-Fi areas. For the price, it offers solid value. Now, if the Topo C100's connectivity concerns bothered you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for staying discreet. Product number 2, Coog Fleur Body Camera Pen. Next up is the Coog Fleur 64GB Body Camera Pen. This unique gadget stands out because it's not just a camera, it's a functional pen too. Priced at around $52, if you want a discreet recording option, this is worth considering. The 1080p HD recording quality means you'll capture every detail clearly, whether you're using it for personal security or just documenting important meetings. It also features smart motion detection, so it starts recording automatically when it senses movement, which is super handy. Plus, it comes with a 64GB memory card right out of the box, giving you ample storage without any extra costs. This means you can keep things under wraps without drawing any attention, perfect for those who need to monitor sensitive situations. However, some users mention that the battery life could be better, especially during prolonged use. But honestly, if you're using it for quick recordings here and there, it shouldn't be a major issue. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a covert way to record situations without appearing suspicious. Skip this one if you need something with longer battery life for extended use. Given its features, it's a pretty good deal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want more flexibility in recording. Product number 3, FANGJIE Mini Hidden Camera. The third product is the FANGJIE 1080p Mini Hidden Camera. I found this one to be really intriguing, especially with its compact design at just around $40. If you're after something portable, this might be your go-to. This camera doesn't require Wi-Fi or apps, which means it's super user-friendly. You can simply plug it into your computer for easy data access. The rechargeable battery provides up to 150 minutes of continuous recording, which is pretty impressive given its size. This little device is perfect for discreetly capturing footage in classrooms or offices without anyone being the wiser. However, I did notice some complaints about the video transfer process being a bit tedious for some users. But look, if you're someone who values privacy and wants to avoid cloud storage, this feature can actually be a plus. This is perfect for you if you need a discreet camera that doesn't rely on the internet. Skip this one if you want something that offers instant streaming capabilities. For its price and functionality, it's a solid pick. Now, if the transfer process sounded like a hassle, the next option on my list takes a more traditional route. Product number 4, XISRU Mini Camera. The fourth option is the XISRU 64GB Security Camera. Coming in at just $29, this is truly one of the most budget-friendly options you'll find. If you need a simple surveillance camera, this is definitely worth a look. This mini camera features motion detection, ensuring that you'll only capture footage when something is actually happening. It even includes a 64GB memory card, which means you're ready to go right out of the box. This can be a lifesaver for those who need to monitor their homes without a large investment. Now, the downside is that its low price point can sometimes reflect in the video quality, which may not be as crisp as higher-end models. But if you're just looking for basic monitoring, this should serve you well. This is perfect for you if you want a no-frills budget camera that covers the basics. Skip this one if you need high-definition quality for important footage. For its low cost, it's a great entry-level option. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one is designed for those who want something a bit more advanced while staying discreet. Product number 5, K-Cool Shui Spy Pen Camera. Last but certainly not least, we have the K-Cool Shui Mini Spy Camera Pen priced around $43. This one cleverly combines functionality with security, making it a must-consider for anyone needing a covert recording device. It records in 1080p HD, ensuring you capture crisp footage without sacrificing detail. It comes with a 64GB memory card and a USB charging cable, making it easy to use and maintain. Honestly, I was genuinely surprised by how well it worked in various settings, from classrooms to casual meetings. However, one drawback is that the pen can feel a bit bulky for some users who prefer something lighter. But here's the thing, if you want something that doubles as a pen without being overly conspicuous, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a discreet camera that's also functional. Skip this one if you prefer something smaller and lighter. For its unique design and features, it's definitely worth the price. So to quickly recap, we've explored the TP-Link Topo C100 for its reliability, the Koog Fleur Body Camera Pen for discretion, the FANGJIE Mini Hidden Camera for privacy, the XISRU Mini Camera for budget-conscious buyers, and the K-Cool Shui Spy Pen for those needing dual functionality. Each has its own unique strengths, so think about what matters most to you before making a decision. Happy spying!